What do a solid, liquid, and gas have in common? They're all states of matter. Have you learned about the states of matter? Comment yes or no in the comments below. Before we can talk about the states of matter, we need to understand what matter is. Matter is a physical substance that has mass and volume. In simpler words, that means matter is anything that takes up space. When you look in your kitchen, it's filled with all sorts of objects that take up space, like a fridge and a sink. Those objects represent solids as a state of matter. When you're washing your hands in the kitchen, water fills up the sink. The water is taking up space in the sink and represents a liquid as a state of matter. When your parents are cooking dinner and the kitchen is filled with the delicious smell of food, even though you can't see the scent, that is gas taking up space in your kitchen. This represents gas as a state of matter. Now that we know what matter is, what makes a solid different from a liquid or a gas? The first thing to know is that everything in the universe is made up of atoms and molecules. Let's use an ice cube for example. In a solid, the molecules are touching side by side next to each other without a lot of room to move. These molecules help form the shape of the solid ice cube and gives it distinct sides and lines. When the ice cube melts, it turns into water, a liquid. The molecules in the water are close to each other, but they still move freely and pass each other. This is why liquids don't have a solid form, and they take the shape of whatever container they're in. For example, the water takes up the space of the glass, versus the ice cube that holds its own shape. When water heats up and evaporates into air, we no longer see it in the glass and it turns into a gas. Gas molecules are far apart from one another and bounce around on their own. Just like liquids, gases also take the shape of the container they're in, even though we can't see it. For example, like air in a balloon. We usually don't see the air we breathe out of our mouths, but when we blow air into a balloon, the air takes the shape of the balloon and blows it up. To experiment more with the states of matter, order our liquid or solid GIGIL STEM Kit today, and you get 5 hands-on educational STEM activities that explore the states of matter. Did you enjoy learning about the states of matter? Comment yes or no in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos and stimulating activities.